Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add animated text to an Instagram story. If you're having an issue where you've tried doing this but couldn't find the animated text option, this should get you set where you'll have it and be able to use it. To get started, swipe over to the right to Story or tap the plus sign at the bottom and choose Story at the bottom here. Once inside, tap the Create button on the left at the top. Type what you want your story post to say and then edit it how you want it to look. Now this may be where you were having issues in the past trying to access this. The animated text option is supposed to be here at the top, but as you can see, mine doesn't appear. Tap anywhere in the blank space to get rid of your keyboard and then choose the create icon again at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the text that you entered and this time you'll see the animated text button appear. Choose that and then you can scroll through the different animated text options. When you're finished, tap done on the top right. You'll then be able to add or edit to your story more if you want and then send it off as usual. And that's how you add animated text to an Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.